Assalamualaikum. So we are from Pasito and we are doing online sneakers shop system. As an introduction, Pasito is an online sneakers shopping system. The products provided are available for all stages of users from children to senior citizens. The system helps the citizens to buy any kind of sneakers according to their own taste of fashion. The system provides many types of sneakers for the customers to choose freely. The system will also be updated from time to time to satisfy the customer's need. So for the members of the company, Faizatun Najwa is the project manager, Izzat bin Ahmad Zaharuddin is the programmer, Nurhamizan bin Norhalim is the web designer, and Ahmad Nazirul Iman bin Ahmad Mihafizuddin is the system analyst. So for the system scope, to create an online shopping system in shoes department. Make it easier for the customers to buy shoes without troubling them to go out and shop at physical stores. The system provides descriptions for each product. The customers can either choose to buy or add to cart before buying the products. The system provides security for confidential customers' details. Customers are provided with choices of payment either online banking or credit card.
So we continue with entity relational diagram, ERD, and our database. The database of system is related to the ERD. So we use the same entities and attributes in both ERD and database. There are 7 entities, all of them. The first entity is the customer entity, which holds 5 attributes: customer ID as the primary key, customer phone number, customer name, customer address, and customer password. Next is the order entity, which holds 4 attributes: order ID as the primary key, order status, order quantity, and order item. Then the third entity is the payment entity, which holds only 2 attributes: payment ID as the primary key and payment method. After that is the product entity, which holds 7 attributes: product ID as the primary key, product name, product design, product color, product size, product price, and product image. The fifth entity is the report entity, which holds 5 attributes: report ID as the primary key, report product, report monthly, and 2 foreign key, which is customer ID and product ID. We continue with the shopping cart entity, which holds 5 attributes: cart number as the primary key, cart quantity, cart price, and 2 foreign key, which is product ID and payment ID. And lastly is the staff entity, which holds 6 attributes: staff ID as the primary key, staff name, staff address, staff type, staff password, and only one foreign key, which is order ID.
Okay, in our context diagram, we have two external entity, which is staff and customer. Yeah. Okay, this is our data flow that we have. Staff can insert the product detail, and staff can view the customer list and report. For the customer, customer can register the customer. They can insert the customer detail, order, payment detail, and they can view the product list and cart list. Okay. Okay, in our diagram 0, it will describe our context diagram before. It will describe the process and data store that we have. Firstly, we have 4 data store, which is order, applicant, card, and product. And we have a process which is staff can view the list of customer, view list of error and report, and the staff can update the product. And next, customer can create an account and view list of product and view the card and make payment, also make an order.
Okay, so this is our homepage. Welcome to Pasito, and this is a front page where the customer should log in or sign up. So if they already have their account, just press login and enter their username and password. But if they don't have any account, they can click to sign up. So first, we just put our name. I just put my name and my passwords, my phone number, and my address as well. So and then we go to submit. So they will direct go to the login page. So I'll just put it back my username, my password, and they will go back to the home page where the product can be seen. So you can click the product, and there are two categories, either football shoes and sneakers. So an example, I want to choose a football. There are various types. So we can click view to see the image of the football shoes. Can click next, 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 next. So if example I wanted to buy the first shoes, and I can click to add to cart, and I can choose to either online banking or credit card. So I will just choose online banking, and I will click proceed to checkout. So there you go. Thank you for watching with us, and they can see their order. So the Night Mercurial Superfly 6 Community 1. The process is still in process. So as a staff, okay, we go back to the home page, then we log out. Okay, so they will go back to the home page. We click to log home, and then we click to the staff login. Okay, as a staff, if they don't have any account, the staff also should sign up. So I will put my ID, my password, staff code, example, and address. Okay, submit. So they will go to the staff login page. Okay, at here we can see the product. To insert the new product, which is here, or we want to update the product or delete the product. So an example, if I want to add another product, so we just put it like this, product name. Example, I want to put Adidas. Product design is Predator. Color is white. Oops, here. And product size is 8, and the price is 250. So after we click the insert product, so the new product will be appear here. Adidas Predator, weight size 8, price 250. So an example, if I wanted to update this product, so it's a Night Mercurial paper blue. So example, I want to change to update the product from blue to black, and the price will be around 300, and we can click update record. So here we can see that the color was already have been changed and the price also have been changed. So if I wanted to delete the product, we can just click delete. So the product has been deleted. So I think that's all. And also we can see the report, which is the total product for the month and the monthly sale for the year and total customer sign up. So if the customer want to know how to use this website, they can click this help button. So there are 4 types of help. So the first is how to register and log in. Just click it and there will be the picture. So there are the several steps for how to log in. So click back, and second, how to add to cart. So here just a picture on how to add to cart. Click back, and third, how to view a product. So these are the product. Just click here, so back, and the fourth one, how to make a payment. So this here, all of this will guide the customer on how to use this website. So that's all for me. Thank you.